Hey everyone, it's Mahdi and welcome back to my channel. So today is all about my pregnancy hygiene routine. Being pregnant, my body has been through a lot, so these are the steps that I take to feel myself. And plus today I was on my way to my 38th pregnancy checkup. So this is my look after I apply some makeup. So off to the bathroom, okay? This is before I look like a human being. I have to put my hair up in a classic pineapple because that's just what I do with my hair. This is how I sleep. This is how I shower. This is just how I am when I am just being lazy. A pineapple is for me all day, every day. I also like to add this scarf to protect the edges because being pregnant means I am not trying to have to redo my hair. So here are the products that I like to use on a daily and weekly basis. As you guys can see, it's in a range of products all over the place, different stores. I really like this Stress body wash from Bath & Body Works. It has really been helping to calm me down as I've been suffering from anxiety and my nerves and being dead ass scared to have this baby. So as a woman of color, I've noticed that during my pregnancy, I always suffer from darkened armpits, behind the knees, behind the neck. So I try to focus on those areas a lot. And so that's why you see me scrubbing forever. The legs. I have strawberry legs. If you don't know what strawberry legs is, look it up. So this, I scrub. I scrub the knees and all that stuff. I make sure I get my feet because I never know when I'm going to go in labor and I don't want to have crusty feet because how embarrassing would that be? Not the fact that I'm spread it wide open, but the fact that I have crusty feet in my doctor's face. You know, only because I'm modest, I'm going to go and continue washing all the important parts off camera. And voila, onto the fun part. Exfoliation with this Tree Hut Cotton Candy. I normally go between this one and the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser, which is also amazing. Now you guys know I wasn't going to leave out my skincare, and I have an array of skincare products. As you guys can see, it's all over the place, but these are my true favorites. Just like any other skincare routine, I am going to go through the process of cleansing my face, exfoliating my face, rinsing, masking, and applying my serums, my eye cream, my moisturizer, and if I had some, probably my sunscreen, but I don't have any sunscreen right now, so I'm just going to skip that step, and that is going to be this part of the video. Well, that was fast. Voila, this is the results. And now on to the second part, which would be me moisturizing my pregnant body. You guys, this Palmer's cocoa butter here is amazing. I grew up with the stick and the lotion, but this here, I am on my second bottle and I love this stuff. This product is not for you if you don't like to feel greasy, if you don't like to be slipping and sliding in your leather seats, and probably if you don't enjoy putting on oil in the heat, because I am in Houston. But it doesn't bother me because this gets me looking right. So of course, this is my pregnancy hygiene routine. So I'm going to focus this on my belly. I am so glad and proud to say I did not gain any new stretch marks. I still have my previous stretch marks on my very first pregnancy. I didn't get any with my second, and I definitely did not gain not one with this third pregnancy. You know, life has a funny way of messing with you. At this very moment, I was sitting here contemplating on when I was going to meet my baby, where I was going to be, how my labor was going to go, and just trying to feel good about myself and make it to my 38-week pregnancy checkup. And little did I know I was going to be induced and meet my baby that evening. I will definitely have more on that video in the future, but until then, you guys, thank you all for your support. Comment, like, subscribe as you wonderful people do, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.